Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see one Excel trick here. Suppose you have data like this and you want to hide this data, then select this sheet, entire sheet, right click, go to format cells here, then go to custom here, remove this general and type 3 times semicolon, click on OK. Now you can see here the entire sheet is hidden. If you type anywhere in this sheet, like I'm typing here anything, you can see it's a hide. And if you want to recover the hidden data, then select this set sheet, right click, go to format cell again, go to custom, remove this semicolon here, click on OK. You can see the data in this sheet here. So by this way you can hide the data in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.